In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this thumbnail in 6 minutes using templates from Thumbkit. Let's just start. I'm going to show you my exact process doing this live. I'm going to go to thumbkit.com, sign in. I'm signed in here. I already know which templates I want to use, but there are a bunch. I'm going to use the screen, download the hands, use multiple color tones. I use a retention template, so I have multiple. I'm going to go in my files here, my downloads. I'm going to open all of them. The first thing I'm going to do is just open the template. So this is what I get when I open it. Obviously I want to slide in the face. This is a pre-edited face, which I recommend everyone has. You have a pack of faces already edited to your liking. Just for example, the eyes pop a little bit, just so it makes everything simpler. I'm gonna put the face here. The other thing I want to drag and drop is the hands. So let me just show you how it is with the hands. Of course, I give you all the fonts you need. You have multiple color tones. I'm just going to drag and drop this hand inside. Obviously try to make it look good. Nice. Next step, let's see what I had here. I had fixed this and I had the retention template with a background. Oh yeah, I forgot also to download the blurry backgrounds. And I actually have blurry backgrounds, a set of over 50 blurry backgrounds, which makes it super easy to download. I'm just going to download this. It makes it super easy for your thumbnails because a lot of people kind of struggle with the background. You need to find some online, but it's never thumbnail specific assets. So yeah, you can do this with Thumbkit easily. Now I'm going to open this and double click to edit the screen as it said here. I'm going to get the text out in this case because I want, and just delete this, the graphic, the original graphic. I'm actually just going to keep the text here. And obviously I'm going to open this, copy, delete, paste. I'm going to remove the text since I already have one. And the arrow, I'm going to remove it as well. I could leave it. Really depends on what your goal is here. I'm going to put this in a group. And obviously I'm trying to go quick to show you, but in your case, you could take your time, right? And even if it takes a little bit longer, maybe it's going to take 20 minutes for you and not 5, because you're not a professional designer, and it's still worth it for you. So it was kind of getting messy, so I'm just going to slide in this instead. So which is the same thing, but just in keeping it in a smart object. Up. The text is a little bit coming out a little bit. So what I want to do, obviously I'm going to remove this as I did previously. And everything is organized super well here, so it's super easy to navigate. I'm going to kind of make it a little bit closer like this, because I think that's just so it fits better the format on the screen. The format of the screen, I mean. Sorry, I forgot the last number. And I'm going to just slide this in. So I'm really just taking my time here to show you guys. I actually made a short video, a TikTok, yesterday to show me making this in 5 minutes. And I thought I would make a longer video to really help people, understand how this works. See how we're already getting a pretty cool result. I'm obviously going to move this a little bit on the side just to center it. And I'm not using any super fancy design skills. Look at what we already got in a couple minutes. I'm not sure how long it's been. I think it's probably going to be a couple minutes. And now I need to pick the backgrounds. Obviously all the fonts are linked, as I said, so it's super easy. And let's just open the backgrounds. And now I have a bunch of options. Here 48 and here even more. I think this one was the one I picked. Yeah, that's the one I picked. But you see how we have a bunch of other ones that could work depending on the picture. Different ones are going to work. There's one that I really like. There's kind of a brick studio background. This one I really like, works a lot of times. So yeah, pick what you need. I'm just going to straight up copy paste here. See how this is a little, it could be already good, but I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger just to get a similar result as in the example. And yeah, I think it's looking good. What I want to do now, and that's kind of a little bonus, you could definitely post this, it's have a little camera raw filter. That's kind of a pro tip for you guys. And I'm just gonna go straight into here, adding some texture, clarity. I'm gonna do this real quick. You know, I'm really trying to go the extra step here. For most users, you don't even really need this. If you're like a beginner in Photoshop, just using simple Photoshop techniques. Like if you watch like a 20-minute tutorial, you should be able to navigate everything. And also, if you have any questions, you can always like contact the support, which is just me because it's a 1% company right now. And yeah, this is looking good. Have we recreated this thumbnail? Yeah, I think we can say we did. And how long did it take? Let's see. How long has it been on the video? I think about 5-6 minutes. I did this while explaining to you guys. Maybe, let's say it took twice the time or 3 times the time. Maybe it's 18 minutes for you guys. Whatever, right? It's not too complicated. Hope you enjoyed the video. The website is in the description.